Hi, I am Amir Nawaz and I am Artistic Director at Mass Foundation Pakistan. I am asked to say something about the impact of COVID-19 on theatre practices in Pakistan. Well, now the situation in Pakistan is very much under control. This lockdown is no more. Cinemas and theatre are opening up. Commercial activities are going on. So situation is good now, but the impact was really worst. Like in Pakistan there were no live theatre activity in previous 16 months. So in my view, the impact was worst in a way that all the theatre organizations and theatre practitioners they have to go through in three different burdens, in three different pressures. One was definitely the financial pressure to sustain the daily life, to sustain an organization. It was a very difficult period, although government supported theatre practitioners and theatre organizations with grant in aid, but I think that grant in aid was not that much that we can create something new. It was just to support our daily life, and that was not sufficient. The second pressure was definitely a social pressure, and the third one was really complicated. The third pressure was the creative pressure. In creative pressure, I mean is that when a theatre practitioner who is used to create live things on stage, they have to move towards another medium that is called online medium. So there is no, I think there is no new work was done in previous 16 months, and it was really problematic for theatre in Pakistan. Also, about the financial burden and the financial impact, that was really severe. Like the people who are working off stage, like set constructors, tailors, carpenters, electricians, they have to switch their field because in Pakistan these people are working normally on daily wages, and on daily wages mean that if there is no work, they will not gain something. So they have to convert their field. Now they are working something else in some different departments. So it will be difficult in future to get back them and to get their services. And in my view, in future the things will be becoming more difficult to create something because we are lacking their expertise. There will be new people, they have no experience, so the life of theatre practitioners and the theatre makers will be difficult in coming days. It's my view, not on the financial basis but also on the creative basis. So the only way is that the world and the whole population of the world should be vaccinated. In Pakistan, people are getting vaccination, and I hope that this pandemic will be over with 2021. But the situation of theatre practitioners will not going to change in coming years. It's my prediction. I hope it should be changed, but the situation is not so good in Pakistan and for theatre practitioners. So hope for good, take good care, and please get your vaccination. Thank you.